Okay, so now it's time for tackling the obesity in the Western world. Tackling, like handling the obesity, people getting fat, being overweight in the Western world. All right, so that's it. Okay, so that is gonna be like problems, consequences, solutions, stuff like that. All right, okay, so now let's have a look at what you have to do. So the first part, question number 1 to 7 and 1 to 8, from paragraph number A to 8, you're gonna have to match them with a list of heading. All right, so you read the list of heading very carefully, underline the keywords. Number one, obesity in animals. So that's all about. Whole paragraph is gonna deal with how animals gain weight and stuff like that. Number two, hidden dangers. Okay, it's dangerous, people's gaining weight, and it's dangerous, but people are hardly aware of that. It's hidden. Okay, number three, proof of the truth. Okay, how dangerous it is, or how they gain weight, and it is already proven. All right, number four, new perspective view on the horizon in the future, stuff like that. Number five, no known treatment. There's no treatment yet, stuff like that. Okay, number six, rodent research. Rodent is like pretty much like the underground animal, most likely rat or mouse, stuff like that. Okay, and the rodent research leads the way. So they do research on the rat, and it has led to new insights and stuff like that. Number seven, expert explains energy requirements of the obese people. So the more you gain weight, the more energy you need, and the experts explain about that. Okay, and number eight, a very uncommon complaint. So it's not usual complaint, it's unusual complaint. And number nine, nature or nurture. So it's like people are fat. Are they born with being obese, or do they just eventually gain weight? This is it. All right, number 10, shifting the blame. So people are saying, okay, I get fat because not because I eat a lot, or not because I am inactive, but because of this. So they're saying something else to be the responsibility of their weight gain. And number 11, lifestyle change required despite new findings. Okay, so they might find the new drugs, the new treatment, but basically people need to change their lifestyle. Okay, so you've got to try to match these with the 8 paragraph. You might not use them all. You may need only 8 of them. Okay, and let's go on to the second part. The second part, what do you have to do? Okay, this is summary completion again. Okay, you can write how many words they didn't say. All right, but anyway, oh no, sorry, they gave you the list of words, and you've got to pick up these words to fill in the gap. Okay, so they say people with a blank problem, so it's an adjective problem or noun problems or weight problem, often try to deny responsibility. You remember shifting the blame. So I guess probably this and this. Okay, shifting the blame will have a connection, and you go on. All right, so they do this. What? They shift the blame. All right, so you found that paragraph. They do this by seeking the blame, seeking to blame their something. What do they blame on? For the fact that they are overweight and erroneously, it's like wrongfully, mistakenly believe that they use blank energy. So it's got to be an adjective energy, so more energy or less energy, something like that. Okay, then the thin people to stay alive. However, recent research has shown that a blank problem, what problem? So adjective problem, noun problem, something like that from here, can be responsible for obesity, as some people seem programmed to blank, to infinitive, a verb, no s, no es, more than others. Okay, the new research points to a change from trying to change people's blank. Okay, blank. So probably a noun, to seeking an answer to the problems in the laboratory. Okay, 15 minutes, set your alarm clocks. Don't read, find the answers. Give it a try.